Hi, welcome to MachineStation. Today I'm going to show you guys a Lynx 210A. Very clean machine, has original paint, has not been repainted. As you guys can tell, the paint on it is really nice. Machine's very well kept, hard to use, very low hours. It has a 12 station turret, a couple of boring bar holders on there. It has a 6-inch Kitagawa hydraulic chuck, which can also be upgraded to an 8-inch. Has a tool setter, a fully working conveyor, machine power is right up, no issues, no alarms. It homes without a problem. I'm gonna run a little program here. The machine is sitting on wood, so if you guys see it rocking a little bit, it's because it's not leveled out, sitting on its base. Very smooth running machine. The chuck sounds incredible actually. It's a very compact machine as well, so if you're looking to put this in a garage, it'd be ideal for something like that. Made for home use, small shop. If you have any questions about this machine, you can visit us at MachineStation.us or give us a call at 909-919-9600. Thank you guys for watching.